Hello everyone, so here is Google Jamboard app. So it's in top 100 apps in productivity. Let's take a look. I didn't use it a lot, but let's just try it out. So super simple interface, similar as in other Google apps. The bottom right you have plus icon, so you can create what they call a jam. So here you can just draw something. You can go back, and then the idea of it is that you have these like screens, and then you can just open them on Jamboard. So you can also share them. You have like these frames, and you can share them, and it's super useful for schools or colleges or offices. So something like that. So these are these frames. Then there is eraser. Then you can just different objects. You can drag it around. Then you can just draw something and then it disappears. So these are the instruments. Then you can add a sticky note, content, camera, or library. So that's the idea, that you can create these jams and then connect to Jamboard or just join Jam by code. So that's how it works. Basically super quick overview. That's how you change the drawing tools. Just tap on the arrow. So you're just drawing, and it's super quick to share basically on the bigger screen or on a projector and collaborate this way. Hope it helps. For additional tools and apps, feel free to visit mrhack.io. There is a community forum, so you can engage there and ask additional questions.